student of SMAN Negeri 1 Seberuang. Now, I wanna to tell you about how to make a coffee. Actually, make a coffee very easy. But right now, it's different. Why I say that? Because I wanna to tell you how to make a coffee in English. So, keep watching. The material, if you want to make a coffee, is hot water, spoon, glass, sugar, and coffee. The procedure: first, add the coffee powder to the glass. And then pour the hot water in a glass. And then stir for a minute. After that, add sugar and stir again. Okay, coffee has already. Okay guys, thank you for keep watching. I hope you can understand and you can know what I say. And then I hope this video can help you in vocabulary. Bye bye.